We are officially heading to pick up our brand new RV. Well, in typical me fashion, I decided just to drive all the way to Elkhart. So I drove today straight from the Dallas-Fort Worth area all the way to Elkhart, about 15 hours. But I'm here, which means I get to relax a little in the morning. And then tomorrow, we get to go see our friends over at Alliance RV. We've said many times now that we absolutely loved everything about our Valor. But it's time for something newer and smaller. And I can't wait to share with you tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm exhausted, so I am going to bed. Night, night. Feels so much better after a good night's sleep. All right. It is time. Let's head over to Alliance RV and see what we can get into and hopefully see our new RV today. We have made it to Alliance RV. All right. Well, let's go check out our brand new RV. And I'm looking at it right now. I'm a little too excited. I will say, before we even unveil what it is, there's one thing that I absolutely 1000% will do no matter what to every RV before I do anything else, and it's this. You know by now how much we absolutely love our mattresses. And the very first thing that I could think of that I absolutely wanted to get in our brand new RV is our rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding mattress.
We ordered from rvmattress.com when we got our very first RV many years ago. And we loved the mattress so much that when we got our second RV, we sold the RV and kept the mattress and put it in the new rig. And when that mattress got into a fight with a dog of ours, we didn't hesitate. We went right back to rvmattress.com and ordered what we knew worked. We've loved it. And when it came time to upgrade Mom's mattress, you bet we knew right where to go. Who is RV Mattress, or what is it? It is a Brooklyn Bedding brand, and they are actually known for like top-of-the-line quality and comfort. They have a factory based out of Arizona that ships directly to you, and they offer several different mattress options, 3 different firmnesses, and over 20 sizes, some of which are RV specific. We personally went with the signature hybrid style of mattress. This is the RV King 72 by 80, and we did add the little pillow top, which we really like, and it's cooling as well. And in the back, we did a signature hybrid mattress as well in a queen size, but we didn't put the pillow top on that one. Oh.
As a bigger guy with a bad back, thanks to years of golf too, having a good mattress in the RV was such a big deal. So in addition to everything Lauren talked about, you get a 120-day sleep trial. So if you don't like it, you just give them a call and they take care of it. Mm-hmm. And a 10-year warranty, which is good because I'm really rough on things.
Imagine that.
I don't know what you're talking about. To learn more about rvmattress.com and the Brooklyn Bedding mattresses, you can check out rvmattress.com/MillersInMotion. I know it's our name. It's difficult. You can also save 30% off by using our code MillersInMotion. All right, without telling you what rig I'm in, I know this looks super weird. It's Joe.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, buddy. Thanks for putting up with me again.
Anytime.
So,
anytime.
In our new rig, which we haven't quite said what it is yet, you guys have made some changes for 2025 and a half?
Yeah.
6?
Yeah, 25 and a half.
3/4?
Yeah, it's getting close.
And so I figured it'd be important to let Joe kind of talk about those because the biggest one is actually the air conditioner.
Correct.
So now, coming...
Hey,
oh, God. Sorry. That was really blurry.
Did I break your screen?
Nope. I've broken enough of these things myself with my face. So in 2 of the models you guys produce, you guys have now moved away from what everybody knows on AC units, and you are now in the Furrion Cube package.
Yep, Furrion Chill Cubes.
Whatever that means.
Yep. So through popular demand, and again, that customer-driven nature we have here at Alliance, our North Star. It was a popular request, and we entertained it, and we tested it rigorously before we made the decision.
And by rigorously, I mean you put them in Ryan's Valor and said, make sure this works right.
Correct.
If it screws up, we're sorry. Yeah, when it's 102 degrees outside.
Yeah.
But if you watch any of those videos, you know how much we actually loved them. So I honestly think that for these lines in particular, which I haven't said what line it is, even though they're probably piecing it together because of things, but I do think that it is a massive upgrade.
I agree. It, very functional, very easy to use. And so far with the testing that we've done and Ryan's done has proven that so.
Well, power consumption alone is like, I know that was the thing I kind of reiterated to you guys because you guys you install solar stuff, but not really too.
Yeah, we give you the basics to get started, right?
Yeah, to essentially keep your stock batteries topped off in reasonable situations.
Yeah, put your slide out, turn your lights on, quick things like
function on 12 volt.
Yep.
Essentially. Whereas when we build stuff, I want to function everything all the time for weeks on end.
Correct, and that's expensive.
A little bit.
Yeah. And you can do those upgrades, but it's traditionally best if you do it aftermarket.
And when you do that, the power consumption side of the Cube was the one that I found most impressive because, and I've said this before, that when we maxed out just one of the ACs, I'm not going to talk to all three because you may have 2, you may have 3, you may have 5. I don't know what you do with your RV. We were only maxing out about 950 watts. And typically it didn't stay there for very long because it's a variable compressor air conditioner. So it fluctuates based on the need of the space and what you have the temperature set at. So
correct. And you had more needs in your Valor than you do in whatever this is.
This surprise rig that is so very obvious. But maybe they don't know. Who knows? Maybe it's not as obvious. Anything else that you kind of did before you guys switch over to 2026 product?
Yeah, so another cool feature that we did is we added the Klipsch audio speaker. So you have a speaker there and in the bathroom. So just in case you want to sing in the bathroom,
I was thinking better TikToks on the toilet, but
there
whatever.
You go.
That rhymed. TikToks on the toilet.
New series coming soon.
Probably not, but that's okay. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, so other than that, not a ton of changes because, again, Valor, or not, I can't say what it is.
Nope.
Yep. Because this series is still relatively new, I'll say that.
That wasn't a giveaway. All right. At this point in the video, if you don't know what it is, I don't know what to tell you else besides what it is, which we'll talk about in just a second. But
all right.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
So what RV did we finally decide to go with? Well, as you know by now, we are buying a house in North Texas. And so while we loved our Valor very, very much and loved Alliance even more, it just didn't make a lot of sense to literally have the largest production model RV that Alliance made. So we decided to go to the opposite end of the spectrum to share as much as we can. We are officially in an Alliance Delta 252 RL. We are going to do a full tour next week because I think that this might be the best travel trailer floor plan. Also, in future episodes, as we start to move this thing, I have not driven a travel trailer RV in probably 20 years, 15 years, something like that. I've only had fifth wheels. So we're hoping this goes well. Also, we have a bunch of small little upgrades we intend on doing pretty quickly. So you're going to see a whole lot of content around retrofitting and getting everything ready for the Delta so that we can hit the road on some epic road trips very soon. Thank you so much for watching. A huge thanks to Alliance RV for taking care of us and getting us in our new Delta. Also, a huge thank you to the sponsor of this video, rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. Again, rvmattress.com/MillersInMotion. Get that 30% discount. Sleep better. Have a good week. We'll see you next week. Bye, Mom.
Now my wheels in motion and my window